Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. I am Christina, and we are getting ready to decorate my coffee bar for fall. Welcome back, guys, to my channel. I am Christina, and I do a lot of home DIY projects. And I am here back again for another awesome video. And this time I'm getting ready for fall. I have took my daughter to college, so a lot has changed in a couple of weeks, and took some time off to just enjoy my family for a little bit. But yeah, so we're getting into fall time now, so it's time to set up the coffee bar and get that all squared away, which I'm really excited about because I use some colors that I do not normally use to go with the orange and a lot of the browns. So I hope you guys love it. Leave a comment below, like this video, and please subscribe. And thank you to all my subscribers that have subscribed already. I really do appreciate it. And let's get creative together. I found this wood frame at Hobby Lobby, and I thought the color was perfect to go with the rest of my decor, but also I thought about adding something on it to make it pop even more. Not too much, just to give it some definition to the rest of the decor that's going to go up at the coffee bar. I found these leaves at Hobby Lobby. They're thin wood, and I thought it would be nice to add this to the wall frame that is going up. So I wanted to put some gold foil on them to give them that crinkly look of how, when you're looking at the leaves, they look all like different color palettes in them, and just like that crinkly look on them. And I wanted to kind of do that with the gold. So I thought I achieved that. I did about like 2 coatings. The first coating is a little light, but I let it sit for 30 minutes, and then I hit it again, and you're gonna see in a little bit how full and nice it looks. Looks realistic. So if you're gonna tackle this, it's a very easy project to do, and it's fun. And there you have it, guys. I love how it came out. I love all these new colors I decided to use with the fall time in my home. It looks stunning. I love the brightness of it, but also with the fall touch. I love how Snoopy is making the area super happy. My youngest daughter is going to be excited about that. So thank you once again for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.